Hi guys, my name is Mohammad Shahzad Arshad, and today we will see another tool for information gathering in Kali. It's called Sparta. The Sparta tool is graphical, not like a Nmap, but it's similar to Nmap. Like you can have a ports and system information, but it's a graphical interface. So there is a difference between Nmap, it's command based, and this one is graphic based. But for mostly the professionals, they are using command line. They are preferring for getting the information gathering. So okay, before starting this, configuration, and it's not a configuration. It's like a tool we can show how we can use it. Before going to the Kali Linux, if there is someone new on my channel, kindly do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming video. Thank you. And secondly, I would like to say all my cybersecurity videos are only for educational purposes, and please do not use them as with illegal activities. And this is only for educational purpose and penetration testing. Okay, thank you. So let's go on our vCenter. We have a vCenter, and as you know, we are working on the same Kali Linux. It's open here. So let's go and start. So I will go root. Okay. So we are logging into the Kali Linux. So here we will go, and in this start menu you can say, and we'll come into information gathering. And information gathering, you can see at the end there is Sparta tool, and if we click on that, it will start open here. So this is Sparta tool, and here is the graphics. So it's right now on my console is graphic is like we are missing here the tool. So I will do the bars here like files and other things. So I will do right click here, and I will do maximize. Okay. So after maximizing, we can have all the scan and the host and service tools here. So Sparta only we are going to use only and only for scanning, and this is good for scanning also. So only do scanning here. So we will, there is a brute force things also. Sometimes it's a kind of attack, but this one is we are using for scanning only scanning. So let's go and add one. You can see here is a scan panel, the host, service and tools, and then the related results will be here. And here is the other scanning systems, the processes which is running by Sparta. So it will be here. So let's go and add one node, our target here. So I will give my domain controller internal lab. So I have one domain controller in my internal lab. So I can run this one. Okay, so we have a little issue here to bring the OK button from the down. So what I will do like this, and I will change little more, settings and display settings, and I will go and I will reduce a bit. So let's see if we can see. Yes. Okay. So I have reduced. So we can see the submit button and other. So we have one target here. So you can do with the multiple target example like this 192.1.0/24 or colon, or you can do a range from here to here, and then like that. So this is a single target we are going to submit. Okay, it started, and in our configuration, the graphical interface, you can see it started and is getting the information. So scanning it started. So it will take a little time. Let's add another one if you want to keep run another one like our domain controller. Sorry, my Cisco machine, Cisco layer 3 switch. I will submit. Okay. So we'll see the services here. We will go. This one is the all information related to this one. And if you see our domain controller, he got the 192.168.200.102 dc home lab.local, and these are the ports which is available here, and the protocols running, and state of the port is open or not. And if you go in the script, you can see the script netb state information, Samba authentication here, SMB discovery, operating system discovery, Windows Server 2012, data center, and these are the things, IP, time, and fully qualified domain name. And here we'll see account using gas now, securities, and times this is. And if we go information, you can see the IP address and the operating system. MAC DOS, the MAC address is didn't receive yet, serial number, etc, nodes. Here is some other information. See, access denied, access denied. So if you do in the services, you can see services, tools, Nicto tools and other tools we can use with this services, the host name. So here is the second also here, so it will start later. So this one will also start after this one is completed. So we put it 2. See, still doing, and right now which host? Second host is started, 100.1, and is still unknown. So here we go, these are the ports open on our domain controller, and this is also a good tool, not bad. So we can use for information gathering also. You can check, but I prefer Nmap. It's more better than this, but there is this tool is also not bad. The people sometimes, it's depend on the person who likes a command line or graphical tool to check the things. So we'll see here, only one is open, 443 TCP open HTTPS. We will little wait for this one until it's completed. So we'll see if there is another ports and information to this switch. It's, by the way, Cisco 3550 switch I have in my home lab. Okay, yeah, SSH is also open, and see, so Nmap is running on the back, Nicto is also, so it's a combine here tools. So you can see Nicto getting the information. Scanning, estimate remaining lapse time, PID, tools, which is running here in the graphics, and the host, and the status is still running, and this is the progress bar. And if you see the logs, there is the logs also available. So how we can graphically use this one to check the ports and other things. See, now it has completed all the ports here. This is the domain controller, open ports, you can see here. So this is also a good tool, so you can use it for your information gathering and scanning. So thank you. If you have liked my video, kindly press like button, and see ya in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.